Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to look at the recent SPACs IPO performances. To access that, we first click on the menu button, and then over here you have a SPACs link over here under stocks. So we'll click on it, and you'll have a couple of options over here. You have the SPAC screener, you have top performing SPACs, and then you have a recent SPAC IPO performance. So let's click on recent SPAC IPO performance over here. So this will display a data table for all the recent SPACs that's been IPO'd recently. So let's look at the data table over here. We have symbols, you have name, you have a current close price, you have a dollar change, percentage change. Its first open price, meaning the DMY Technology Group, the first data point, first open price was $10. And this will give you the percentage change from initial open, i.e. whatever the current price right now, which is a 21.28, it compares that with the first open price and compute the percentage change from initial open. So as you can see that DMYD right now is appreciated 112.80% over here. So this is a quick visual view whereby you can look at it, what are the recent SPACs are there and how they are performing versus their initial first open price or IPO price. You have additional data, for example, like volume, trend days. So this stock particularly has been down for 1 day. This particular stock, which is KVSV, has been up for consecutive 4 days. And this is the volume information for that. Of course, since they are recent specs, so you may or may not have the 50-week high-low prices or change 1 year. And then depends on the structure of the specs. You have market type, the actual market type, sector information, and this is the date at which the trading data has been updated in our system. So this is latest information over here. Now what you can also do is you have a couple of filters over here. So what if you want to see all the recent SPACs IPO performance, but you want all the percentage change from initial to all positive. So I want only SPACs which has been performing really well. So as you can see over here, this is all sorted for you. You have 0.49 all the way to 112, and these are the SPACs which is in positive territory based on their first open price. I can always reverse that to all negative SPACs if there is any. It will come up over here. So it looks like MUDS has been the negative, i.e. it's open at 10.05. Right now it's traded at 403, and last trading date for this data is 4/07/2021 over here. So you can quickly visually look at it, the recent SPACs IPO performance. You have a pretty good filter over here at the same time. Also, like our basic information that we have in our system, for every table, you do have the ability to deal with a lot of different information. For example, we can turn this whole table to, let's say, interactive charts. This is our visualization tool. So you can look at all these SPACs visually at the same time, how they have been performing, and this is the interactive chart, so you can see how the prices looks like and more. I can even go back and change to, let's say, bubble chart, and this will give me all the SPACs that we have. If they have a data relatively, it's going to come up over here. So only one company has the relative volume market cap information over here because these are fairly new companies. That's why you have some data over here which is displayed in the bubble format. Now you can go back and search this through SPACs and recent SPAC IPO performance, and the key thing over here is that you have a very quick ability to look at all the recent SPACs IPO performance and look at what they are performing right now versus their first open price and more.